How to log in Discord with Discord token. Yeah, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Discord account using a Discord token. Now first, before you go ahead and tweak the settings from your browser, make sure that you already copied out your Discord token. To do so, just head straight into discord.com's official website, and then at the top right, click on the three dots, and then go into More Tools, and then choose on Developer Tools. Now once you're here, Um, usually it will be set as default into elements. All I have to do is to switch it into application by clicking this arrow pointing to your right to click on more tabs and then choose on applications. Now from applications, below storage, choose on local storage. Choose Discord and then inside these box, just simply scroll all the way down. This is going to be the field or the line where you will paste your Discord token key. But on the first box, simply type in token, and then on the second box, simply paste your Discord token, refresh the Discord page, and it will automatically log you in. And that's it. That's how you log in to Discord with Discord token.